First Samuel chapter 1, verse 20. This announces the birth of Samuel. And as usual, let's take a look at the vocabulary words first. Joseph, could you kindly give us those vocabulary words in red?
Yes. Shama. It means to hear.
Nice.
Shmua.
Beautiful.
It means heard.
Right, it was heard. Right. And lastly, we recognize this as an abbreviated form of the name of God, El.
El.
So why? Right. So why is it helpful that we point out these roots?
Elisheva's raised aunt.
Yes, Elisheva, kindly.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just would like to understand. For example, for me to say Hashem, listen to my prayer. Shall I say Shema or shall I say or shall I say Shama?
You would use a command form, Tishma.
Hatishma.
Tishma tefilati. Hear my prayer. Tishma tefilati. Hashem tishma tefilati.
Oh, so
Tishma tishvilati.
Yeah.
Tishma tefilati. If I say like that, Hashem, Babakesha, Shema, et bracha sheli, habracha sheli. Is that wrong?
Yeah, you want to use the command form, which starts with the tav. So in that case, we tend to say, like in prayer, we'd say Hashem tishmana instead of bevakasha. We'd say tishmana. Na is like right. Na is like bevakasha. Hashem tishmana tefilati or tishmana barach birchati.
Okay, toda raba.
You're going to make sure that I know some good Hebrew by the end of this course, Elisheva, because it's just fantastic that you're bringing this dimension into the discussion. I really enjoyed it, and it's very helpful to all our students. It really brings the whole thing alive for us.
Toda raba v'slimcha.
The simcha.
Simcha, yeah.
Yep. So I'll ask Joseph again if you would kindly pronounce the verse for us, and then we'll explain why I brought out those particular Shorshim, Shama, Shemua, and El. Kindly, Joseph, let's enjoy your reading of verse 20 from the book of Samuel.
Okay.
And the baby is welcome to read as well.
Vayehi Litkifot.
Read Kufot.
Yes. Vayehi Litkufot Hayamim. Vahar.
So you have a tendency to miss the tav or to see a hey instead of a tav. So be careful.
Vatahar.
Nice. Vatahar.
Hana. Va'et laid.
And here's that tav. Again, here's the tav that eludes you a little bit. Vateled.
Vateled.
There you go.
Bain.
Good.
Vatik ra.
Nice.
את שמו שמואל,
Shmuel. Nice. Finish her up.
כי
Yahweh.
יהווה שאיל טיב.
Beautifully done. And notice how Joseph correctly used the shva inside the word as a stop sign. This is something that you'll master very well, Elisheva and everybody else will get this over time. Beautiful. Vayehi litkufot hayamim. And it was after 2 seasons of the year. And we identify this as in the 7th month, after 7 months. And there's a way that we could understand that Hannah actually gave birth early, prematurely, in the 7th month, if you can actually imagine such a premature birth. But that's the tradition, that Samuel was born in the 7th month of her pregnancy. Vatahar Hannah was pregnant, Vateled Ben, and she gave birth to a son. Vatikra et Shemo, and she called his name Shmuel. She called his name Samuel, Shmuel. Kimei Hashem, because from God she iltev. She asked for him. She asked for him from God. So we can understand that the names of the prophets and the names of the personalities in the Bible are not accidental. In this case, we could understand the shin mem in the word Shmuel to be from the Shoresh Shema, or we could understand it further, the shin mem Shuruk to be from the Shemua, heard, in which case we would understand Shemua El, God heard. What did God hear? God heard the prayer of Hannah for a son, because from God did she ask for him. So we see that we can understand the word Shmuel to mean God heard, and it relates to the fact that God listened to the plea of Hannah for a son. And we can do a lot with that, and we can enjoy analyzing names and getting more understanding of the names and how they relate to the narratives in the Bible. And there's a lot of good work and learning we can do as far as that goes. Lots of good drill tonight, lots of good work. Congratulations, Trevor, Diedrich, Elisheva, Joseph, Maya, everybody's just doing great. And
תודה רבה.
I look forward to